How do you check social media daily?
I open apps on my phone or laptop.
How do you post updates online?
I write a status or upload photos.
How do you read news on social media?
I follow pages and check headlines.
How do you comment on posts?
I write short thoughts or feedback.
How do you like a post?
I tap the like button.
How do you share posts with friends?
I click share and select contacts.
How do you watch videos online?
I scroll the feed and click play.
How do you upload pictures?
I select images and press upload.
How do you follow new accounts?
I search for them and click follow.
How do you unfollow accounts?
I go to their profile and select unfollow.
How do you message friends online?
I type and send messages in chat apps.
How do you check notifications?
I click the bell icon or notification tab.
How do you block unwanted accounts?
I use the block option in their profile.
How do you manage privacy settings?
I go to settings and adjust permissions.
How do you create a post?
I write text, add images, and publish.
How do you like stories?
I tap or react to the story.
How do you upload videos?
I select the video and follow upload instructions.
How do you tag friends in posts?
I type their names while posting.
How do you explore new content?
I use the Explore or Discover page.
How do you follow trends online?
I check trending hashtags and topics.
How do you share personal achievements?
I post photos, updates, or videos.
How do you participate in online polls?
I click the choice I like.
How do you report inappropriate content?
I use the report option on the post.
How do you respond to comments?
I type replies or emojis.
How do you join groups online?
I search for groups and request to join.
How do you leave online groups?
I click Leave Group in Settings.
How do you add friends?
I search for names and send requests.
How do you remove friends?
I go to their profile and unfriend.
How do you manage friend lists?
I organize contacts into lists or categories.
How do you create events?
I add details and invite people.
How do you RSVP to events?
I click attending, maybe, or not attending.
How do you schedule posts?
I use the scheduling option on platforms.
How do you check messages quickly?
I'll open the chat tab and read recent messages.
How do you mute notifications?
I turn off notifications in settings.
How do you manage multiple accounts?
I switch accounts or log in separately.
How do you save posts for later?
I use the save or bookmark feature.
How do you share links?
I copy the URL and paste it in a post or chat.
How do you use hashtags?
I type to followed by keywords.
How do you follow influencers?
I click follow on their profile.
How do you reply to stories?
I type a message or use reactions.
How do you manage screen time?
I set limits in phone or app settings.
How do you check trending topics?
I visit the trending or explore section.
How do you update your profile?
I edit personal info and save changes.
How do you change profile pictures?
I upload a new image from my device.
How do you make videos live?
I click the live option and start streaming.
How do you schedule live sessions?
I set time and notify followers in advance.
How do you engage in online discussions?
I comment and reply respectfully.
How do you follow news channels?
I search and click follow on their page.
How do you check older posts?
I scroll down or use search filters.
How do you download media?
I use the download or save option if available.
How do you make reels or short videos?
I record, edit, and upload them.
How do you edit captions?
I click edit and type new text.
How do you add stickers or emojis?
I select from the sticker or emoji panel.
How do you react to posts with emojis?
I tap and choose the desired emoji.
How do you share posts privately?
I use direct messages to friends.
How do you create polls or questions?
I add a poll option in my poster story.
How do you manage comments on your posts?
I delete or hide inappropriate comments.
How do you tag locations in posts?
I click location and select or type it.
How do you watch live sessions?
I join through notifications or profile links.
How do you participate in live chats?
I type messages while watching the live stream.
How do you block spam accounts?
I report and block them directly.
How do you keep accounts private?
I switch privacy settings to private.
How do you follow topic-based pages?
I search for topics and follow relevant pages.
How do you create a profile bio?
I write a short description about myself.
How do you check online friends' activities?
I visit their profile or activity tab.
How do you update your cover photo?
I upload a new image and save changes.
How do you manage notifications for posts?
I enable or disable alerts and settings.
How do you share achievements online?
I post pictures, videos, or text updates.
How do you follow events online?
I click attend or follow the event page.
How do you add contacts to social media?
I search their names or use phone contacts.
How do you create online stories?
I add photos, videos, or text to stories.
How do you view followers?
I go to my profile and click the followers tab.
How do you manage blocked accounts?
I check settings and unblock if needed.
How do you find old messages?
I scroll or use the search bar.
How do you report fake news?
I click the report option on the post.
How do you check message requests?
I open chat and review requests.
How do you send voice messages?
I hold the microphone icon and record.
How do you tag friends in photos?
I select their names after uploading.
How do you schedule reminders for posts?
I use the platform's scheduling tool.
How do you check trending hashtags?
I browse the Explore or Search section.
How do you manage story highlights?
I add or remove stories from highlights.
How do you create a page or group?
I follow instructions and add a name, description, and image.
How do you invite friends to join groups?
I select friends from my contacts.
How do you check analytics for posts?
I visit Insights or Analytics tab.
How do you respond to followers' messages?
I type replies or use quick responses.
How do you share posts outside the platform?
I copy the link and send it via chat or email.
How do you add multiple images to a post?
I select multiple files during upload.
How do you organize posts with albums?
I group images or videos into albums.
How do you remove unwanted tags?
I click remove or untag myself.
How do you mute friends or accounts temporarily?
I select mute option from their profile.
How do you manage multiple devices?
I log in with the same account on each device.
How do you check who viewed your profile?
I use platform insights if available.
How do you share thoughts in captions?
I write short, meaningful text under images.
How do you manage saved posts?
I organize them into collections.
How do you reply to comments quickly?
I type short, clear responses.
How do you report inappropriate behavior in groups?
I use the report button in group settings.
How do you follow trending challenges?
I search hashtags or join trends.